The Zimbabwe Council of Churches (ZCC) has renewed its calls for a national referendum on the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Amendment Act Number 3, 2026 CAA 3, arguing that the enactment of the law has failed to resolve the constitutional concerns raised by churches, legal experts, and citizens. Sanabina Mashkubla let the people decide. Church demands referendum on CAA 3. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a pastoral letter released on Tuesday, the church body said it was speaking neither in hostility nor in partisan interest, but out of love for our beloved country, Zimbabwe, adding that its intervention was driven by concern of the integrity of our constitutional democracy, the peace of our communities, and the welfare of present and future generations. The ZVAITWA said the signing of the CAA 3 into law on July 7 did not settle the debate surrounding the constitutional amendments, but it instead intensified divisions across the country. In court, we observed that the signing of the CAA 3 into law on 7 July 2026 has not brought the contestation of the same into finality. Instead, CAA 3 has deepened national polarization and generated serious constitutional, political, and moral contestation. The statement reads, according to the church leaders, constitutional matters should never be treated as political contests, but as issues that affect every Zimbabwean. The ZVAITWA maintained that amendments affecting presidential and parliamentary terms, presidential succession, and term limits safeguards should have been subjected to a referendum in line of Section 328 of the Constitution. The church further argued that constitutional reform of such significance required wider public consultation through an independent commission, calling for a de-escalation of tensions. The ZCC urged the government to embrace dialogue rather than confrontation. The council also appealed to the political leaders, churches, civil society organizations, traditional leaders, businessmen, and ordinary citizens to reject inflammatory rhetoric and work towards national unity. Tuma developments are pangwene vinagome section medu za fungu aim to give them separate cheat coach. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.